Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying prerequisites, syllabus topics, and high-yield formulas. Once done, collect class notes, solved papers, and one trusted textbook. Now create a master topic list and prioritize weightage. This tells you where to focus. Next, set focus study blocks of 25 to 30 minutes and assign each block to a single subtopic. This prevents scatter and builds momentum. Do this immediately so your short note process has a clear scope and real first step. You now condense material into one-page concept cards. Start with a brief definition, then list essential formulas and a single short derivation or mnemonic. Once done, add unit checks and sign conventions so you avoid silly errors during exams. Make sure to flag high-yield results and typical tricky steps using color or symbols. That speeds revision. After creating cards, solve one representative problem and jot the pattern on the page. This ties theory to application and cements the note's usefulness. You finish by scheduling regular micro-reviews and active recall. Once done, test with timed problems drawn from your cards and mark any card that caused hesitation. Make sure to rewrite weak cards immediately, shorter, clearer, with one example. If you get stuck, consult a solved solution and add a troubleshooting note at the bottom of the card explaining the pitfall and correction. This single troubleshooting habit fixes recurring errors and keeps your short notes exam ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.